So you might be trying to figure out how to go through and downgrade your Samsung phone from one version of Android to another. Now there's a couple things to keep in mind. This is a risky process. It isn't necessarily perfect, and it could end up breaking your device. So be very, very careful and follow these instructions or the written instructions in the description that I'm following through. So you can follow those and kind of go step by step. The number one thing to understand, this is going to delete everything off of your phone. So back up any data before going on. Back up your photos, back up everything before you continue on through this video. Now, number two, you want to go ahead and make sure you download the correct version of software for your particular Samsung phone. The right version, the right Android version, the right phone model. There's a couple different websites out there like SamFW or Sam Mobile. Those are really good resources where you can download those particular versions of software. So those will also be linked down in the description. You also need to download the necessary tools. You need Odin, which is the flashing tool used to install official Samsung firmware, and the Samsung USB drivers. Those two will also be linked down in the description, so you should also be able to download those particular files from those links. Now on your Samsung phone, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure you download, or you want to make sure you turn on the developer options. So go inside of your settings, go inside of About Phone, and then click on Software Information. Then tap on the build number 7 times and enable developer options. Then go back into settings. You'll see a new developer options menu. Click into that menu, enable USB debugging and OEM unlocking. And then at that point, what you want to do is you want to remove all the accounts on your particular Samsung phone. So any Google accounts, any Samsung accounts, go ahead and remove those from your particular device. Now, when you're ready, what you can do is you want to go ahead and extract that firmware from what we downloaded from that Sam Mobile or SamFW website. So unzip the downloaded firmware files, and you should see several different files with the names like AP underscore, BL underscore, CSC underscore, so on and so forth. Open the Odin application, and you want to load those firmware files in Odin. So you'll need to be able to go through and load each firmware file into its corresponding slot. So BL goes in BL, CP goes to CP, AP goes to AP, so on and so forth. Now, what we want to do next is we want to boot your phone into download mode. So this is a special mode on Samsung phones that allows for firmware flashing. It can be a little different on your particular device, so make sure you type in like Galaxy S24 download mode and see how to do it on there. But usually you have to hold down a specific volume power button connection while connecting the phone to your computer. So once it's connected and you have it all in download mode, connect your phone to your computer and Odin should be able to recognize your device. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the flash the firmware option or the auto reboot option. And then what you want to do is you want to click the start button and you want to begin the flashing process. It's going to take some time. Do not unplug your phone. Do not do anything like that. Keep it plugged in at all times as of this point. The last thing you want to do is to go ahead and remove your phone from flashing. That is going to cause way too many issues. I would not recommend doing that. You're better off just keeping it plugged in and then waiting for it to completely complete. And once it's completed, your phone should be able to go through and be fully flashed. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. Like I said, there's also a step-by-step guide in the description below, so you can also just follow those instructions there with all the links provided. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.